really, really awesome. We've been building and painting, and you know what, it's just been such an incredible day.
Yeah, and it's been so rewarding because it's so nice to think that all the kids are going to be able to come and have this amazing experience here because of the hard work that everyone's put in today. I think in Yorkshire and specifically in Leeds, we feel a really big connection to making sure that the community thrives, and unfortunately like underprivileged areas, and anything we can do to kind of equal that balance and give people chances in life to make that equal playing field is so important to us and so important to the Leeds Rhinos Foundation.
Things like this, so like the obstacle course, this little shelter that we're building, you know, the skills they'll be learning through doing things like this are skills that can be transferred later on in life. So if we could be teaching them how to work in a team environment or whatever, and that could help them become future Rhinos, whether it's like rugby or netball or whatever, it would just like mean the world. There's been lots of squatting.
And it was actually really interesting to learn more about construction and like just do something outdoors. We're always inside with netball and to just be outside, be at one with nature in these woods. It was great morning.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. And also Green Flag, like they are one of our big sponsors. So finding out more about what they do, things like that, opportunities that might be there for some of the Rhinos girls, like it was just great. So like I love the team bonding, the fact that we can do something good as well. That's not just team bonding such as karaoke, the fact that we're making a difference, just the whole thing. I couldn't thank you guys enough for sorting it out for us.
Yeah, thanks.